All right, Under the Wing 79 in progress here. I did more ink drawing using an old-fashioned, well, it's still in use, bottled ink, like India ink, metal pens on plastic holders. No computer art making for me. The chicken's pretty much done. I'll give it some thought if I want to add any more color to it aside from around the eye and toward the beak there. And then I began doing more work on the hair, her hair, on the Senesh portrait. And then I'll finish the her outer attire, upper torso there, shoulders and so on. And then I'll decide what I'm going to do around here. Probably will have some allegorical sea monsters, as I've done with many other works. Speaking of Palestine, pre-Israel, which she moved to from Hungary, I came across this drawing the other day. I'm going to send a second cousin as a gift. His parents were Israeli. In the States, many years now. Jerusalem, mysterious clouds drawn from terrace by the Montefiore windmill. Sunday, May 8th, 2011, 4:10 to 5:10 p.m. All right. So these are not meant to be like missiles over Jerusalem, but I was thinking about it, maybe more like a kind of sandstorm monsters. Allegorical, if you wish. We have a Power Avion Gefilte, something, a Gefilte Express Jerusalem. All right, that covers everything. All right, there you have it. Greetings and plenipotentiaries. You guys are pretty quiet over there. Oh, good. We got a little commentary going on. All right, to be continued. Thank you for your foul input. That's F-O-W-L, not F-O-U-L. I don't want any English teachers rioting.